Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going inside a bamboo fabric factory to discover how ordinary bamboo is transformed into soft textile rolls.
This factory transforms simple bamboo into soft textile rolls used around the world. The journey begins long before fabric reaches a weaving machine. Bamboo grows remarkably fast and provides the raw material for this textile process. Only carefully selected stalks move forward to production. The harvested bamboo is prepared for transport to the processing facility. Every bundle is organized to maintain traceability and quality. Raw bamboo must reach the factory quickly after harvest. The next stage begins as the material enters a controlled industrial environment. Thousands of tons of bamboo pass through facilities like this every year. Careful coordination keeps production moving efficiently. Incoming materials undergo preliminary inspection before processing. Small differences in raw bamboo can affect later manufacturing stages.
Automated systems help classify and organize the incoming supply. Accuracy at this stage supports consistency throughout production.
Before processing begins, bamboo is stored under controlled conditions. Managing moisture and inventory is an important part of the operation. Sorting ensures that only suitable bamboo continues through the manufacturing chain. The process balances automation with human oversight. Industrial logistics play a major role inside modern textile facilities. Every movement is designed to reduce waste and increase precision. What began as a plant in the field is now entering a highly engineered manufacturing process. Every step from this point is carefully controlled. Preparation equipment must be calibrated before processing can begin. Precision is essential for producing reliable textile fibers. The bamboo has completed its journey from forest to factory. But before soft fabric can emerge, the bamboo now enters the first major processing stage. Before fibers can be extracted, the raw material must be carefully prepared. Uniform sizing is essential for efficient processing. Consistent dimensions help maintain quality throughout production. Cleaning removes unwanted contaminants from the harvested bamboo. This step protects machinery and improves fiber quality.
The pressure on line 3 seems stable now. Good, the flow rate is optimized. We can move on.
Moisture levels must be carefully controlled after washing. Proper preparation improves the efficiency of later processing stages. The bamboo is reduced into smaller particles for easier processing. This increases the surface area needed for fiber extraction. The processed chips are continuously monitored for consistency. Uniform material supports efficient fiber production. The bamboo now enters controlled preparation vessels. Heat and processing conditions begin altering the plant structure. The bamboo is now ready for its most significant transformation. This stage converts processed plant material into textile-grade fiber.
The temperature is holding steady at 90. Good, the viscosity looks right. Keep the paddles at 50 RPM.
Flow rate is steady at 200 liters per minute. Good, the pressure looks stable too. Multiple filtration stages ensure consistency throughout the process. Clean material produces stronger and more uniform fibers. Before fiber production can begin, the material must reach exact specifications. Constant monitoring helps maintain stable quality. This is where the transformation becomes visible. The bamboo material is now forming continuous textile fibers. Stretching aligns the fiber structure and improves performance. Even minor adjustments can influence the final fabric quality. Individual fibers are combined into manageable production units. Automation ensures consistency at industrial scale. Alignment is critical for producing uniform yarn. Even small variations must be corrected before the next stage. Consistent tension helps prevent defects during fabric production. Precision control ensures every strand behaves the same way. Combing improves fiber uniformity and removes irregular material. This creates a cleaner and stronger final product.
Environmental control helps stabilize the fibers. Proper conditions improve processing consistency and product quality.
Individual fibers are now combined into yarn. This step creates the structure needed for fabric manufacturing.
The yarn is finally transformed into fabric. Precision weaving determines the texture and structure of the finished textile. Finishing systems improve consistency across the fabric surface. Every meter must meet exact manufacturing specifications. The fabric has completed its refinement stage. Next comes detailed testing and inspection to ensure every roll meets quality standards before market release. Before reaching customers, every fabric roll must pass a series of inspections. Consistency and reliability are the primary goals of this stage.
Automated vision systems search for defects that may be invisible to the naked eye. Every section is examined in detail.
Logging the surface texture now.
Check the variation at the selvage before you finalize.
It's already flagged in the system.
Strength testing confirms the fabric can withstand demanding applications. Reliable performance is essential for commercial textile products. Durability testing helps predict how the fabric will perform over time. Manufacturers use these results to maintain product standards. This batch is slightly inconsistent in color. The spectrophotometer shows a variance of 1.2. Thickness is stable at 3.5 millimeters.
The color consistency is acceptable under D65 lighting.
Yes, but the thickness measurement shows a slight deviation on the gauge.
The scan on roll 45 is complete. The deviation is within tolerance.
Protective packaging helps preserve fabric quality during storage and transport. Every roll remains traceable throughout distribution.
Okay, this pallet is ready for staging.
Confirmed. The system shows 75 rolls of the bamboo blend.
Check the label on that one, it looks loose. It's fine, it just passed inspection. Keep him moving.
The factory prepares shipments for customers across multiple industries. Careful organization keeps distribution running smoothly.
The completed fabric is now leaving the manufacturing facility. The transformation process is nearly complete. Industrial-scale production requires equally efficient distribution systems. Every shipment is carefully planned and monitored.
The finished fabric now begins the next stage of its journey. Soon, it will become part of countless textile products.
Bamboo fabric serves as a versatile material for many applications. Its journey continues far beyond the factory that produced it.
What began as a bamboo plant in the field has become a soft textile ready for global use.